All right, and we're back on the back side. So back on this table, so for number 4, we want to start by finding the change of x, just to make sure they're all the same. So the change is 1, 1, 1, 1, right? The change is 1 all the way down, right, for each value, okay? Now let's find our change of y's, okay? So from -7 to -4, we're adding 3. From here to here, we're adding 3. We're adding 3. We're adding 3, okay? So remember this was my change of y, okay? So my change of y's are all the same, okay? So this function is not a quadratic, okay? This is actually a linear function, okay? So this is not a quadratic, because remember, if we remember on the other side, on our other page, our change of y's, okay, were all different, right? But the differences of y's were the same. That's what makes it a quadratic. So if all the change of y's are the same, that's linear. If the difference of differences is the same, that's a quadratic, okay? So see the difference, right? These are different, but these are the same. That means it's a quadratic, okay? But on this example, the change of y's are immediately the same. So that's not quadratic, that's a linear, okay? So just be careful on that one, okay? And then lastly, we come to the graphs, okay? Now, honestly, I think this is the easiest part. So with the graphs, okay, we have our definition. So for graphs, we're looking for a parabola where it's curved and it's U or an upside down U shape, okay? So looking here at 3, is this a curve, okay? So remember, curve is like curvy, like a U, but here it comes to an abrupt like edge, right? And then it goes straight back up. So there's no curve here, it's just straight lines, okay? So number 3, this is not a quadratic, okay? Because it is not curved, okay? This is actually the absolute value function, and we'll get to that later. But this is not curved. It's not a quadratic, okay? Whereas number 3, on the other hand, is a quadratic because it is curved, right? And it's the shape of, it's a parabola, okay? So yes, this graph, number 4, is the graph of a quadratic, okay? And again, we'll understand more as we get through more examples, but this is just a basic introduction of how to determine if equations, tables, and graphs are quadratics or not, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to ask your teacher. I'll see y'all later.